This is Getting to Square One.
Splash Zone.
A couple years back, we went to a dolphin show, and as we found seats, the kids asked, why can't we sit up front by the aquarium? We pointed to the Splash Zone signs and explained why we didn't want squishy shoes and drenched clothes all day. Sure enough, the water was so full, the dolphins so exuberant, as they flipped, flopped, and kicked their tails, it soaked everyone near them. And when the God of hope fills you with all joy and peace in believing, you'll abound in hope. And it can open doors to share the reason for the hope that is in you.
So here's the big idea. Through love, we learn to lead a different kind of conversation, a holy conversation. Talk is cheap, as the saying goes, but our faith, boldness, and commitment to others can make way for discovery and decision. First, slow down and listen. As Philippians 2 verse 4 says, learning to count others more significant and getting interested in the interests of others, it can spark profound dialogue with perfect strangers simply because we got fascinated by their world. It can ease us into the very personal subject of faith. And our interactions change as we pray for their well-being in every area of life, especially that it may go well with their soul.
Investigate and get curious. Are they interested in religion or are they opposed to God? What led them here? Jesus loved asking questions, planting seeds, and directing dialogue in fruitful directions. Scripture's truths remain as relevant today as ever. Maybe you'll find a way to connect their story with the story.
You can even take a page from Paul and share your conversion story. As God's priests, we live to proclaim the excellencies of Him who called us out of darkness. What has God done for you? Are you proclaiming it? Let your hope and joy overflow, splashing on everyone around you.
So here's the big question. Are you filled to overflowing with the good news?
So follow along with this short guided study at BibleGeeks.fm/square one, and may the Lord bless you and keep you.
Shalom.